2021 Dodge Challenger RT 5.7 liter HEMI, or no, 6.4. Sorry guys, 6.4 liter Scat pack. Really beautiful car. Love that color. What we got done on it, still got like 4,400 miles on it, barely any factory converters there and there. Then he brought his own kit. It's a MBBRP. I can never say that. Kit, there'll be a link in the description for it. It comes with an X pipe, true dual straight pipe all the way back. Then it comes with the valves already. He's right there and there. Then it comes with the 3-inch pipe all the way back on each side into some quad 4-inch tips there and there. He had a Jones Hydros, I think they're called, Jonah Hydros, that he had on it before. He just like, I don't like the sound, he cut it off. He took it all off and he ordered this kit. There was a 4-week backlog on this kit. So there it is. So be expecting to wait if you guys do want one. And like always guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. There's that system right there. All the way. Let's see what she sounds like. MBRP system, straight pipe. Go ahead.